Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Vel Dogg and this is my kitchen, where we make restaurant quality food or better, from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. We have some broccoli, we got some steak, we got cheese. That cheese right there is Kobe. We have some green onions, we got some black olives, we got some onions chopped up fine, we got some garlic chopped up fine. We got some portobello mushrooms chopped up. We got some green bell peppers chopped up. We have some bacon I fried up earlier. Got some salt right here, Mediterranean sea salt. We got some black pepper. We have butter, and we have some ranch sour cream dip. So we're going to be incorporating that today with these giant potatoes. All right. So what we're making today is steak and broccoli loaded potatoes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on these. We're gonna microwave these for about 10 minutes. So they're big, they're pretty big as you can well see. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. We're gonna go ahead and start with this steak. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my eye, put that on like medium or yeah, about medium high. Bacon fat, I'm gonna go ahead and use that. Get the vegetables going. I don't want too much of it. I just want a little bit, just to oil this pan up. Okay? That should be plenty for me. I'm gonna let that get hot. When it get hot, I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and start with the onions. We're gonna put that in there. Right there, up out of there. Go with the garlic. Alright. We're gonna go with our bell peppers. Let this get going a little bit. We're gonna go with our mushrooms too. Go ahead and throw that in there. I don't want it too oily or nothing. I just want them to break down a little bit. When the potatoes get done, I'm going to go ahead and take the microwave. I already put it in the microwavable bowl. And I'm going to put those in the microwave. Everything easy. I ain't did nothing hard. Everything is very easy. You don't have to use onions. You ain't got to use bell pepper, none of that stuff. If you don't want to. You ain't got to use bacon if you don't want to. Put whatever you want to put in your stuff. Okay? Let this stuff fry up a little bit. Everything breaking down pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and take our meat. Cut them up super thin so it'll be easier to eat. Okay, I'm back. Okay, we took the potatoes out. They soft. We're going to start getting these. I'm going to take all the stuff out of here, put it in the bowl, we're going to mix it together, and then we're going to Make this, it tastes super good. Okay, we got, let me scoot this to the side. So we got our potatoes over here already. Spread those down a little bit. Now I got a smasher too. Okay, you don't want it too smashed up. So that's why I'm not using it. I'm gonna take some butter, like maybe a half a stick of butter, maybe a little more. I should use the whole thing, but I ain't gonna use the whole thing. Cholesterol, man. So we just take that butter, and we try to mix that butter in there a little bit. Okay. Don't that look good? We're gonna take us some of this salt. So I'm using, this is to your taste. I'm probably using like a teaspoon. Just coming out small. Take us some black pepper. This is the restaurant kind. I had used two different ones. So we're gonna take that, we're gonna sprinkle some of that in there. It's like thicker. A little bit bigger than the other one. Okay. We're gonna come with our sour cream. But before we put this sour cream in there, we're gonna mix up our pepper and salt in there first. Mix the cheese in and all that good stuff. Go right ahead. But I'm not gonna mix mine in. Okay? So, but you're welcome to do, okay? Okay. I do have one more thing that I'm going to put in there. I don't normally tell people my little recipe. I mean, you know, certain stuff I do. But this is some cream cheese, whipped cream cheese. I love cream cheese in mine. You don't have to put none in yours. But if you try it, trust me, it'll never be the same. So we take about 2 tablespoons. This is sour cream with ranch, about 3 tablespoons. Okay, put some cream cheese in there. I'll take about 1.5 tablespoons. And we incorporate that. See how creamy it's getting? Now you see why I say don't add the cheese. Okay guys, I'm back. I tasted this. Oh, please make this recipe. I'm begging you, make it, please. You will not regret it. I promise you that. So we're gonna put our potatoes back into the mix. Back into it. You take your finger or whatever. Okay. You're gonna have potatoes left over too, by the way. We got our steak. We'll go ahead and start putting our steaks in there. And this, I'll be back for the next step. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and start with the next step. We got some broccoli. We're gonna put up in there. Okay? Get some broccoli, throw that up in there. Okay, take our Kobe cheese. I'm going to sprinkle that in there like so. Alright. So what I did with this bacon is I fried them and then I put, well before I fried them I put black pepper on them. Don't that look good? I'll be having something like this in my restaurant. Okay? Now, what we're going to do here, on mine, I'm going to take a plate of olives. some of that. Okay, we'll pop this in the oven. And we'll see the finished product in a minute. Okay guys, there you have it. Steak and broccoli, stuffed baked potatoes. So please comment, subscribe, and share this video. Vel Dogg be making restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. See you next time. Vel Dogg's Kitchen. Let's get cooking.